What is up, guys? I'm back on this water taxi, 24 water taxi. Um, I've done another section of fiber, let it sit overnight. Um, Not with the lamps on, but everything's solid and dry and perfect. So today I'm gonna throw the core that I've already pre-cut on these sections. I'll give these a little bit of a scuff first with some sandpaper or grinder. And if I take the grinder up, I hit this section here that needs to be ground, and that'll be prepped for another layer of fiber when I get to it. That's kind of the method to my madness. And I'll let that core dry, and then this whole section will be ready. I got to fill in all the cracks and whatnot with a heavier fiber filler, essentially. And then I'll grind all of the edges everywhere. This whole thing, actually, the edges, and also this whole section, the whole deck, because there's still all the old non-skid and whatnot. Yo, this stuff has got steel. It's got little bits of steel in it. When I cut it, I should have took a video of that. When I cut through this with the saw, it was sparking because there's little steel bits. So I'll take a video of the deck when I grind it. I'll take some more in-motion videos for you guys. I realize I don't put a lot of effort or time into like instructional type stuff, but I'm trying, like the actual job is my focus, you know what I mean? I'm getting paid to do this, not this. So, by all means, share this if you care to, and that will help me get paid for it, and then I can maybe focus some energy and time and money even on expanding my live and expanding what I can offer on here. So yeah, cool. Subscribe, and you'll get noticed for this and other jobs that are going on. I got 5 different jobs going on at this marina. This is a twin to another boat, and I have a tank that I pulled out on my third boat, and I got a couple jobs going on. I have a roof to raise at my shop. So go ahead, again, thanks, subscribe. Helps me a lot. I'll try to get that subscription or whatever it is. Not subscription. You know what I'm talking about. Thank you.